Hey bakers, welcome back. Today we're going to be making tiramisu. So here are my ingredients. So we're going to need ladyfingers. You can buy these at any market. A teaspoon of Irish cream, a teaspoon of brandy, a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to need 1 cup of whipping cream, 1/3 cup of sugar, 3 cups of coffee, and make sure it's cool, you know, and some cocoa, either one, either brand you prefer, a pan, and some utensils, and a mixer. You can use a hand mixer if you don't have a hand mixer. Okay, so we're gonna get started. We're gonna make first the whipping cream. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of whipping cream. Okay guys, and also we're gonna need mascarpone. Sorry about that. I should have told you that in the beginning, but we're gonna need this for our tiramisu. Okay, so while this is mixing, I will pour it in there. And I gotta mix the 1/3 sugar. A little at a time. I mean, this is an easy recipe. I mean, it doesn't take that long for you to make this. I put it on medium speed. Okay, next we're going to add our mascarpone. This is mascarpone, okay? So you guys can know which one to buy. Add the whole thing to it. Okay, so now we're going to add our vanilla. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of brandy, one teaspoon of you can either use Kailua or your Irish Spring, whatever you guys have. And you don't want to overmix this either, because then it will not, become whippy. It will cut, Okay, so there you have it. So now we're gonna set this aside and start forming our tiramisu. Start making our tiramisu actually. Okay guys, so now we're gonna start dipping our ladyfingers into our cold coffee. You don't want to have it hot. You want to make sure that it's cold. So you dip it like this and like this, and you form it. You start forming it. Let me show you. In your pan, you form it like this. Okay, so guys, this is the beginning of the tiramisu. Now we're going to start adding our ladyfingers also on the bottom. and start forming it, and then we're gonna put our whipped cream on top and our Ghirardelli powder on it also. So okay, stay tuned for the next step. So there you have it. I already formed the first layer of the tiramisu. So next, now I'm gonna put my whipping cream on it. So we'll go to the next step in a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna add our cocoa powder to our tiramisu. And I have this thing here. You can get this at Amazon. It's like $5. And let me show you why I like this. I'm gonna show you why. This is why I like it. Because now we're forming our tiramisu. Add as much powder that you want to your tiramisu. The more you add, the better it's going to taste. I like the Ghirardelli one and the Hershey one. Either one is fine. I use both because I think it has a better taste with both. Okay, so now we're going to go to our next layer. There you have it, guys. Look at that. So now we're going to our next layer. And repeat the same thing that I did earlier. Dip it in the coffee. This is by layers. Hey guys, so I put some more mascarpone whipped cream actually inside a pastry bag, and I did this right now. So then, and now I'm gonna get some more cocoa and just sprinkle it all over. Sprinkle it and just, you know. And we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. And then we'll come back and then do the next step. Alright guys, so I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so this is the outcome of the cake, of the tiramisu. What I did, I put some cream around here, and then I added some more little, you know, whipped creams on top, and I put some more cocoa powder, and this is for my niece Amaira, so that's why I'm not gonna try it. But anyways, I hope you guys like it, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.